Dear students, this presentation is about philosophy of education. Philosophy of education, which is a major subject of interest with reference to the system of education. In this presentation, I will discuss the relationship between philosophy and education. Then we will discuss the meaning of education and to the meaning of philosophy. Then I will discuss branches of philosophy, and finally I will discuss some of the philosophical thoughts or school of thoughts with reference to idealism, realism, naturalism, pragmatism, progressivism, and finally essentialism. So, we will discuss firstly what is the relationship between philosophy and education. When we look at the relationship between these two, education without philosophy is blind, and philosophy without education is invalid. Now, on to education in literary sense. Education owes its origin to the two Latin words educare and educere. Educare means to nourish, to bring up, to raise, and educere means to bring forth, to draw out, to lead out. And educator means the act of teaching and training. Now, what is the term philosophy means? The term has been derived from the two Greek words philos means love and sophia means wisdom. So we can say philosophy means love for wisdom. Now, what are the branches of philosophy? There are basically three branches of philosophy. One is metaphysics, the other is axiology, the third one is epistemology. Metaphysics concerned with the nature of reality and existence. Axiology explores the nature of values. Epistemology explores the nature of knowledge. When we look at the metaphysics, so metaphysics is subdivided into four categories: ontology, cosmology, theology, and anthropology. Cosmology, what is the nature of existence? Cosmology answers the question about the origin and organization of the universe. Theology answers the question about the nature of God, and anthropology asks the question and answers the questions about the nature of human being. Axiology explores the nature of values, subdivided into three categories. Ethics. Ethics is the study of human conduct and examines moral values. Aesthetics is the study of values, beauty, nature, and aesthetic experiences, and then on to social and political philosophy. Whereas epistemology explores the nature of knowledge, and it is also divided into two, which is inductive and deductive knowledge. Now, keeping on the term philosophy and then the different branches of philosophy, there are different school of thoughts. Uh, they differ about all of these three branches: metaphysics, axiology, and epistemology. The first one is idealism. Idealism says that ideas are the only true reality, the only thing worth knowing. They reject of the physical reality. Idealism hold ultimate reality is spiritualism. Plato is the father of idealism, whereas George Hegel, Immanuel Kant, George Berkeley, Ralph Waldo Emerson, and Henry David are the major proponent of idealism. Realism refers to the thing exist whether or not human mind perceives it. Realism believes in the world as it is. It is based on the view that reality is what we observe. The major proponents are the Aristotle, Erasmus, Rabelais, Milton, John Locke, Malthus, Francis Bacon, and Comenius. Now on to third philosophy, that is the naturalism. Naturalism is metaphysics which considers nature as the whole of reality. It excludes what is supernatural or the other words. It does not believe in sentimentalism, spiritualism, and supernaturalism. Rousseau is said to be the champions of naturalism. Aristotle, Comte, Bacon, Darwin, Huxley, Spencer, and Epicurus are the major proponents. On to pragmatism. The word pragmatism is derived from a Greek word pragma, which means to do, to make, and to accomplish, and to practice an activity. Pragmatism, also known as practical philosophy and utilitarian philosophy, the major proponents of pragmatism are Charles Peirce, William James, John Dewey, Kilpatrick. Now, Progressivism. Progressivism is the American philosophy which is a revolt against the formal, conventional, traditional system of education. It is a theory of education that is concerned with learning by doing, that children learn best when pursuing their own interest and satisfying their own needs. John Dewey, William James, Thomas Lawrence, and William Kilpatrick are the major proponents of progressivism. And essentialist refers to the basic education. They believe in mastery learning. Essentialists try to instill all students with the most basic knowledge, skill, and character development. And William Bagley is the father of essentialism. So that's it. That is the presentation in which we have discussed some philosophical thoughts